Good afternoon, my name is Mukundi, Dimpo Mashitoa, and I am from South Africa.
My name is Tawanah-Nyasha. I'm also from South Africa. So dissections have been such an insightful time in the DR, as we're able not only to learn about structures, but also able to see what we've learned in class and dissect and feel on those actual structures, which has really helped with learning, especially since we're in nice and small groups where we all get a chance to dissect, feel the structures, ask questions, and really learn as a group.
And we're really grateful that we have our own dissection lab, as it helps us to be more intimate with our lecturers as they give us more guidance on the certain structures that we need to see, and when we need help we have immediate access to them to help us. Also, we use the grant dissector book provided from the library resources that our school has given us, and we're really grateful for that opportunity.
Thank you.